Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Hack Trip Easy. In this episode, we're diving into the ultimate travel hacks for an unforgettable journey to the stunning Netherlands. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, this episode is jam-packed with everything you need to know before you pack your bags. From the must-visit sites like the enchanting canals of Amsterdam to the breathtaking tulip fields, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We'll also guide you through the delectable Dutch treats you simply can't miss. Think savory stroopwafels and delicious herring. And here's a crucial tip. We're sharing essential advice on how to steer clear of common scams to keep your trip safe and stress-free. So, stick around as we explore the best places to visit, the delicious foods to try, and the insider tips that ensure your adventure is smooth sailing. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started on your journey to the Netherlands. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks and tips. Let's dive in. Holland is renowned for its vibrant culture, attracting visitors worldwide. The country boasts scenic landscapes, from tulip fields to windmills. Holland's rich history provides a deep and engaging travel experience. This guide offers essential information for planning a trip to Holland. It aims to ensure travelers have a memorable and fulfilling visit. Key insights cover cultural highlights, historical sites, and natural attractions. Seasonal travel significantly impacts the experience of visiting Holland. The period from April to May is characterized by the blooming of tulips. This tulip bloom creates a visually stunning landscape. Late spring to early autumn offers generally pleasant weather conditions. Pleasant weather enhances outdoor activities and exploration. Each season in Holland provides unique opportunities for different types of exploration and activities. Travelers can enhance their cultural immersion by aligning visits with local festivities. Checking local event schedules in advance is crucial for this alignment. Holland offers a vibrant array of festivals throughout the year. Planning around these events can significantly enrich the travel experience. Travelers gain deeper insights into local traditions and celebrations. Amsterdam's canals are a defining feature of the city. These canals provide scenic views throughout Amsterdam. Boat tours offer a unique way to experience the city. The tours provide a different perspective of Amsterdam's architecture. The canal system enhances Amsterdam's charm. Exploring the canals is a popular tourist activity. Amsterdam offers significant historical and artistic experiences. The Anne Frank House provides a poignant look into history. It offers insights into the Holocaust and Anne Frank's life. The Van Gogh Museum showcases an impressive collection of artwork. The museum enriches understanding of Van Gogh's artistic contributions. Both sites enhance visitors' understanding of Dutch history and art. The Jordan neighborhood offers a glimpse into Amsterdam's local life. Charming cafes contribute to the neighborhood's unique atmosphere. Local shops provide insights into Amsterdam's culture. Strolling through Jordan reveals the area's distinctive character and appeal. Keukenhof is one of the world's largest flower gardens. It is renowned for its extensive displays of tulips. The gardens feature endless fields of tulips in a variety of colors. Keukenhof is a popular destination during the spring season. The vibrant colors and vast scale make it a must-see attraction. Visitors can experience the beauty of Dutch floral artistry. Advance online ticket purchase is highly recommended for Keukenhof. Booking ahead helps visitors bypass potentially long queues. This is especially crucial during peak bloom seasons. Peak bloom times attract the largest crowds. Planning ahead ensures a smoother entry and experience. Online booking guarantees admission on the desired date. Utrecht features well-preserved medieval architecture. The Dom Tower is a prominent example of Utrecht's historical buildings. These structures provide insights into the Netherlands' past. Visitors can experience a unique architectural journey through Utrecht. Utrecht's old city centre offers picturesque canals. Enjoying coffee by the canals provides relaxation. The canals enhance the city's scenic beauty. The atmosphere promotes appreciation of Utrecht. The canals are a defining feature of Utrecht's charm. The Central Museum in Utrecht offers insights into local history. The museum also showcases art relevant to the Utrecht region. Visiting the museum enhances understanding of the area's cultural heritage. The museum serves as a repository of regional art and historical artifacts. It provides a cultural experience enriching visitors' knowledge of Utrecht. The museum contributes to the preservation and presentation of Utrecht's cultural identity. The Hague is known for its beautiful coastal beaches. Scheveningen is one of the stunning beaches located in The Hague. These beaches provide a refreshing coastal experience. Visitors can enjoy seaside relaxation at these locations. The beaches offer a scenic environment for leisure activities. The Hague's beaches are a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. The Mauritshuis Museum is located in The Hague. It is renowned for housing masterpieces of Dutch Golden Age painting. One of its most famous works is Johannes Vermeer's iconic painting. The museum provides a glimpse into the art and culture of the 17th century. The Hague is known for its beautiful parks and palaces. These locations showcase the city's elegant side. Exploring these sites reveals The Hague's historical depth. The parks highlight the city's natural beauty. The palaces reflect The Hague's rich cultural heritage. Together, they offer a glimpse into the city's charm. Stroopwafels are thin waffles. They are filled with caramel syrup. Stroopwafels are a popular Dutch treat. They are best enjoyed warm. They can be found at local markets. Herring is a popular seafood dish in Dutch cuisine. It is often enjoyed fresh from street vendors. Common accompaniments include onions and pickles. This combination offers a distinctive and authentic taste of Dutch seafood. Bitterballen are a well-known Dutch snack. They consist of beef ragout as the primary ingredient. Bitterballen are commonly served with mustard. The combination of bitterballen and mustard offers a distinctive flavor. Poffertjes are small, fluffy pancakes. They are typically dusted with powdered sugar. Poffertjes are commonly found at fairs. They are also sold at street markets. Poffertjes offer a sweet treat. An OV chip cart facilitates access to public transportation systems. This includes trains, trams, and buses. It simplifies travel throughout the country. The card provides a unified method for fare payment across different modes of transport. Investing in an OV chip cart enhances convenience for commuters and travelers. Cycling is an integral part of Dutch culture. Bike rentals offer a convenient way to experience this culture. Renting a bike allows exploration of both cities and countryside. Cyclists can easily access various attractions and scenic routes. Bike rentals promote an active and eco-friendly mode of transportation. This enhances the overall travel experience in the Netherlands. Prior to traveling, it is crucial to verify entry requirements for your destination. Checking for travel restrictions ensures compliance with current regulations. Entry requirements may include visa regulations, passport validity, and health requirements. Travel restrictions can involve quarantine mandates or limitations on entry based on nationality or origin. Failing to meet entry requirements or adhere to travel restrictions can result in denied entry or other complications. Travel insurance offers financial protection against unforeseen incidents during a trip. It provides coverage for unexpected events, such as medical emergencies. Coverage extends to trip cancellations or interruptions due to covered reasons. Lost or stolen luggage is often covered under travel insurance policies. Some policies include assistance with travel arrangements and other logistical support. Purchasing travel insurance ensures peace of mind while traveling. Cultural sensitivity involves understanding and respecting the values and customs of a local culture. Familiarizing oneself with local customs enhances interactions with local people. Learning basic phrases in the local language demonstrates respect. Using phrases like dank u wel in Dutch can improve communication. Showing consideration for local traditions fosters positive relationships. Holland is a destination known for its scenic beauty. The country offers a diverse range of visually appealing landscapes and cityscapes. Visitors can also enjoy the delicious local cuisine. The culinary experiences contribute to a memorable trip. The friendly locals enhance the overall travel experience, making it unforgettable. Careful planning is essential for a smooth and secure travel experience. Embrace and savor every moment of your travel adventure. Actively engage with and learn about the local Dutch culture. Cultural immersion enhances the depth and memorability of your trip. Prioritizing these elements ensures a fulfilling and safe journey. And that's a wrap on our travel hacks for your unforgettable trip to the Netherlands. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're now even more excited to explore this beautiful country. Remember, whether you're strolling along the canals of Amsterdam, savoring those delicious stroopwafels, or exploring the vibrant tulip fields, the key to a fantastic trip is being prepared and aware. Keep those scams at bay, and you'll enjoy every moment of your adventure. If you loved this episode, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and drop a comment below about your favorite Dutch experiences or any tips you might have. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Hack Trip Easy so you never miss out on our latest travel hacks and guides. Join us next time as we explore even more exciting destinations and insider secrets to make your journeys effortless. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and see you in the next episode.